What if your next iPhone didn't just look different, but felt like a whole new style statement? Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Pro models are shaping up to do just that. And it's not just about upgraded specs or cameras this time. It's about color, the kind of color that makes people stop and take a second look. A recently leaked image is giving us the clearest peek yet at Apple's bold new direction with the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max colors. And yes, the rumors were true. There's an orange option, and it's bolder than anything Apple has done in a while. This orange is like a more aggressive version of last year's Desert Titanium, but opinions are already divided. Some say it looked cooler in concept images, while others feel it brings life to the typically muted iPhone Pro palette. It's not just orange on the table, either. We're also seeing a titanium gray option, which is said to be under consideration, but not confirmed yet. Then there's this extremely dark color that might look black at first, but it's actually being referred to as a kind of blue, possibly a darker shade like midnight blue. Apple hasn't locked in the name yet, but it's clearly something deeper and moodier than standard space black. We've also got a classic silver in the lineup, which serves as the more traditional and elegant option for people who prefer a timeless look. Now, here's the twist. There's one color that wasn't shown in the leaked image, but it's creating a lot of buzz online. It's called liquid glass, inspired by the changes in iOS 26's user interface. This rumored finish would shift slightly in tone depending on the light around it. While mostly white, it would offer a soft glow or sheen that makes it feel futuristic and dynamic, something totally new for the Pro models. The goal here seems clear. Apple is trying to move away from safe and boring colors, leaning into designs that feel more expressive and personal. They want your iPhone to stand out not just because it's powerful, but because it looks and feels like something fresh. The iPhone 17 Pro series is already rumored to get a major exterior redesign, and these colors could play a big part in how people react to that change. Think about it. When was the last time a Pro iPhone actually surprised you with its color? Maybe never. So if this orange and liquid glass become official options, Apple might finally be embracing the idea that professional doesn't have to mean plain. Of course, everything will become clear when Apple officially announces the iPhone 17 Pro series this September. But based on what we've seen so far, this might be one of the most colorful iPhone launches in years. Whether you're into bold choices like the fiery orange, cool tones like blue or silver, or futuristic finish like liquid glass, it seems like Apple wants everyone to feel like their iPhone is just a little more personal this time. If you're excited about these new shades or already thinking about which one you'd choose, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. We'll be covering everything as the official launch gets closer. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.